The first phase of Mumbai's ambitious coastal road spanning from Marine Drive to Worli is set to become operational by the end of January 2024. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde highlighted the state's role as a growth engine with the highest number of infrastructure projects in the country. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody.
So today we are at the Mumbai Coastal Road project site, a significant project that has been undertaken by Mumbai's Municipal Corporation. The project aims to provide free and seamless travel to Mumbaikars with the help of 10.58 km stretch of coastal road. The project work is almost complete as about 83% of the work is done.
इस प्रोजेक्ट के चलते मुंबई की वेस्ट कोस्ट बराबर एक एक्सप्रेसवे का निर्माण हो रहा है जो काफी हद तक एक रिंग रोड की तरह काम करने वाला है.
The MTHL project, overseen by the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority and financed by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, will enable commuters to cover a 22-kilometer distance in 15 minutes, significantly reducing the current travel time of about 2 hours. Chief Minister Shinde emphasized the government's commitment to reopening and expediting delayed projects since coming to power. A question that combines strategic, financial, and operational considerations could be: what financing and investment strategies are being employed in the Mumbai Coastal Road and MTHL projects, and how do these strategies align with the overall business objectives of the stakeholders involved? Certainly, number one is public-private partnership. The projects incorporate PPP models, leveraging private sector involvement in funding and execution. Alignment with business objective include enhances efficiency, brings in capital investment, aligns with stakeholders' goal of optimizing resource utilization. Number two is Japan International Cooperation Agency financing. The MTHL project is financed by JICA, showcasing international collaboration and favorable lending terms. The alignment with business objectives is to align with the government's objective of securing cost-effective external funding, reflecting diplomatic and economic considerations. Number three is innovative funding mechanism, exploring innovative financing mechanisms to adapt to market trends. The alignment with business objectives include reflects adaptability, potentially influencing the success and the sustainability of the projects in a dynamic economic environment. Number four is debt and equity mix. Projects maintain a balanced mix of debt and equity to optimize capital structure. The business objective is to ensure efficient capital utilization, manages risk, and reflects a strategic approach to financial structuring. Number five is government funding and support. The government provides substantial financial backing, signaling commitment to project success. The business objectives alignment is to demonstrate political will, instill investor confidence, and align with stakeholders' objective of achieving long-term infrastructure development. Number six we have is financial risk mitigation strategies. Robust risk management strategies are in place to mitigate financial uncertainties. The business objective aligns is to ensure financial stability, protect stakeholders from potential losses, and support the long-term success of the project. On number 7 you have is return on investment analysis. Projects undergo through ROI analysis to evaluate expected financial returns. The business objectives alignment include is to ensure that investments are justified, align with stakeholders' economic development goals, and enhances financial decision making. And the last we have is long-term financial viability. Projects are designed with a focus on long-term financial viability, considering maintenance and future improvements. The business objective alignment is to ensure sustained benefits, align with stakeholders' goals of creating lasting infrastructure assets, and supports the future economic growth. Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share, and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.